Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to do an online check-in in Jetstar. So first, open up your web browser and search up for Jetstar. Once done, click on the first link that will pop up. When you're done with that, click on the check-in tab right here, and then from there, enter your Jetstar booking reference. So if you're wondering what your Jetstar booking reference is, so to find your Jetstar booking reference, your booking reference is a 6-character combination of letters and numbers, for example, A12BC3. So if you made your booking at jetstar.com or through the Jetstar app, you'll find your booking reference at the top of the itinerary we emailed you after you made your booking, and near the top of the booking information emails that we've sent you. If you need to update your email address, please go to Manage Booking. If you book through a third party such as a travel agent, another airline, or an online travel agent, please refer to the itinerary you were sent when you booked. So yeah, to find your Jetstar reference number, all you have to do is just check your email and then you will find it there. And then once you're done with that, just enter your email address or username and then just click on check-in and then you're done. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to do an online check-in in Jetstar. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.